Ever wondered how solid marble gets a perfectly straight cut? Watch this. The moment this spinning blade touches the stone is more intense and satisfying than you think. Here's the blade. It spins at extremely high speed. If the operator loses control, even for a second, the marble can crack instantly. Precision is everything. First, the marble slab is locked into position. Then, the blade is slowly brought into contact with the stone. As soon as it touches, you can see the dust rise. That helps control heat and keeps the blade from jamming. The operator moves steadily to make a perfectly straight cut. This workshop doesn't rely on just one machine. There are polishers, grinders, and finishing tools. Each one plays a role in giving the marble its final, smooth, shiny look. As the blade cuts through the marble, a water pipe constantly pours water on it. This keeps the blade cool, reduces dangerous dust, and makes the cutting much smoother. Without water, the blade can overheat and the marble can easily crack. And this is the final result, a clean, flawless cut, straight as a ruler. This is real craftsmanship. If you enjoy watching real workshop processes and satisfying industrial work like this, make sure to subscribe. I've got plenty more behind-the-scenes videos coming your way, and you won't want to miss the next one.